In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy and paste text within Gmail, a simple yet essential skill that can streamline your email communication. Now, whether you're new to email or just need a quick refresher, copying and pasting is key to managing your messages efficiently. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step so you'll be ready to tackle this task with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by visiting www.gmail.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. This will bring you to your inbox where you can view your new and previous emails. Once you're in your inbox, you can choose an email that you want to copy text from. Click on the email to open it. If you're writing an email and need to paste text from another document or website, make sure you have that window open as well. Now, with your email open, locate the specific text that you wish to copy. Using your cursor, click at the beginning of the text and, holding down the left mouse button, drag to select all the words you want to copy. The text should now be highlighted, indicating it's been selected. Once highlighted, you can copy this text in a couple of ways. The quickest and most common method is to right-click on the highlighted area and select the copy option from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, press Ctrl and C simultaneously, and for Mac users, press Command and C. Next, it's time to paste the text. If you're drafting a new email or responding to someone, click inside the body of that email where you want the copied text to appear. Again, there are two simple ways to paste. Right-click where the cursor is positioned, and from the menu that appears, click Paste. If you prefer using the keyboard, the shortcut Ctrl plus V for Windows or Command plus V for Mac will do the trick. These actions will insert the copied text into your email. If you need to paste the text in a different program, like a word processor or a note-taking app, the process is almost identical. Open the destination program, create or open the document you're working on, and use the same paste methods to insert your text. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to try copying and pasting with various types of content to really master this skill. That's it. You now have the knowledge to efficiently copy and paste text in Gmail with ease, enhancing your ability to manage emails more effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll find that your productivity in handling emails improves remarkably. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.